The waste treatment plant is a large industrial facility that is visited by a large number of employees daily. In order to ensure security and organized employees visited control to the territory, PERCo RTD-16.2 and RTD-20.2 full height turnstile were chosen. RTD-16.2 full height router turnstile are equipped with the RTD-16 canopies, which provide additional protection from perception and prevent climbing over the turnstile. RTD-20.2 double passage full height router turnstile allow organizing to control entry points in limited space. We opt for PERCo height turnstile due to their corrosive resistance and increased rigidity of the welded structure, guaranteeing a long life cycle even in the harsh environments.